what's up?
Alright, oops, good morning guys. So now we are in Ubud. It's little bit raining, but I believe that will be gonna nice soon.
But I think it will be rainy.
Yeah.
We'll
So
see. We are in Ubud in the, what's the place name?
the Kayon Resort in Ubud. So we are here for a special lunch. And then we will chill out by the pool also. As
Little bit, and then we will do some activities in Ubud area.
Yeah.
We will see what the days today gonna bring us. But, now we are going down. As you can see, we'll explore a little bit about this object.
Oops, this is the waterfall, and this resort has a small waterfall. Let's see, it says Canyon Jetty Waterfall.
Yeah. So, by the way, we will try to show you guys around how is it. And they said as they have a waterfall over here, so we will see.
So this is the sign. Oh, look at this one, so beautiful. Look at the carvings, the stone carving. Oh my gosh, so perfect. See how artistic it is. Let's go down. Alright, can you hear the sound of the waterfall down there? This is the sound of nature. Let's go. This is what I love about Ubud 5. The sound of the nature, the waterfall. Wow, this is amazing place.
Alright, so as you can see, a very cool place in the jungle. If you like the jungle vibes, like Winnie love it, it's a perfect place. What's happened?
See how amazed I am with the beauty of the nature, the sound of the nature. Oh my god.
For me, I prefer little bit like a vibes in Uluwatu. And this is mostly because of these stairs. Can you see behind me? It's going up, 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 up. And it's so
because
hot.
Damian is quite lazy to exercise, you know.
Yeah.
For me, like, you know, the vibe, the sound of the nature, the climate, it's so peaceful.
Okay, but we have to go up now.
Yeah.
Let's go. Can you see how the wind is walking up? But it's so hot over here. Alright, I got my coffee and feel much better now. Check this out, this is a beautiful statue with the name of the place, so little we advertising for them, but it's okay. Nice place, they deserve. However, I don't wanna say again, like always, I got scared. That's fish. But we are only the one here. That's quite nice hotel resort in the jungle. This is the brother of the famous the Kayon jungle in Ubud. We will go there also one day. However, we are only the one. Everywhere is no guests in the room, also nobody in the restaurant. We just come here on the pool pass, which is just 75,000 rupiah, including the starter, main dish and dessert and drink. Super cheap. However, still nobody, no local, no foreigner, no nobody. However, very nice place. As you saw, I like this statue. I will show you now.
You were just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat. Every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real?
Alright, so the water is warm. I think that I will go swimming now, because before it was little bit rain, but now I will swim. Look at this place, beautiful, and I don't know, I really like the sound of nature actually, but Damian prefer sea view, but for me I personally prefer natural view like this one, jungle view. So we will swim, and Damian still checking the water because he knows that whenever the pools close by the jungle will be much cooler than the pool in the, you know, close by the sea. But I like it. How's the water, honey? Let's see how it is. How's the water?
No, I'm just kidding. Water is very warm, like for Ubud. Like for Ubud, it's very warm, nice.
Yeah.
Jump, honey.
Hey, don't jump to the jungle, okay?
Okay.
He's just my baby monkey. So as you see in this place, so quiet. Only us.
Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. I don't know what you see in me. I'm not good for you, can't you see that I will drag you down? Here at the bottom, I hope that you finally see I'm not good enough. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me.
Guys, so we just had the big lunch, because actually 3 course, as I said before, very nice. Actually we had this, all what you show, plus 2 cappuccinos, and it's only 200k.
Yeah.
This is
And include swimming by the pool,
towel
with the
and
infinity
everything.
pool, tower.
And I forgot to mention this is 5-star hotel.
Yeah.
So, great deal. Okay, now we're gonna go to Ubud. We will explore a little bit Ubud, maybe Tegalalang. Actually, we will see what the day is gonna bring us today. Stay tuned, guys. Don't switch off yet.
I call you up in the middle of the night. Been bothered by dreams, ain't feeling alright. You give me comfort, say just give it some time. By the end of our talk, I'm feeling just fine. You and I will always know where we belong. This ain't no ordinary love we got going on. I'll pick you up in my 59 Ford. We head on down the road until we get bored. Just you and me and the sun and the wind. If the rain should stop falling, we'll head home again. Everybody else can see where we belong. Oh, ain't no ordinary love we got going on. At the end of the world, together forever is one. And I'll wait if ever you should be in doubt. And I'll pray they never can pull us apart. And I'll wait for the time when we'll be together every day. But I know if ever we'll be led astray, that I'll find my way back home to you again. At the end of the world, together forever is one. And I'll wait if ever you should be in doubt. And I pray they never can pull us apart. And I'll wait at the end of the world, together forever is one. And I'll wait if ever you should be in doubt. And I'll pray they never can pull us apart. And I'll wait for the time when we'll be together every day. But I know if ever we'll be led astray, then I'll find my way back home to you again.
Yo, so now we are in Tegalalang rice fields, the most famous rice fields in Bali. Well, we'll make a few snaps and we'll see how it's there. It's more busier than we was last time, like 2 months ago, I have to say. More warungs are
Warungs
open.
are open, restaurant are open, and also on the road here you see that some bikers passing this.
Yeah,
rice
definitely it's much more live now in Tegalalang than 2 months ago. I will link the movie on the over here. Yeah, we'll make a few snaps. You'll see, guys, how is the conditions. However, rice fields itself, it's closed. You cannot walk on the paths because
Yeah, because the access going to the rice field actually is closed, so we only can just enjoy the rice field from the restaurant close by the road, you know.
yeah. Nice car. Alright, guys, So as you can see, we are in Tegalalang. We was to have the chill out little bit in the very nice hotel in Ubud area. As you can hear the sound, so many bikers as yeah, they are just enjoy their life.
Yeah.
This place is a little bit more alive than usual. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Like always, new vlog is at 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT +8. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, and see you tomorrow.
Take care, guys. Stay
Bye.
safe.
Into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way